This is introduction part. So we studied Laplace transform. This is module 2. In Laplace transform, we studied how to solve ordinary differential equation. Laplace transform used to solve ordinary differential equation. Similarly, partial differential equations can be solved by using Fourier transform. This is the use of Fourier transform. Fourier transform are used to solve partial differential equation. What is this Fourier transform? We'll study that. Infinite Fourier transform, or it is also called complex Fourier transform and inverse Fourier transform. Infinite Fourier transform or complex Fourier transform and inverse Fourier transform. So the meaning of this is the infinite Fourier transform, or simply Fourier transform of a real valued function f of x is defined by f of x equal to minus infinity to infinity f of x e power iux dx, provided the integral exists. On integration, we obtain the function of u, which is usually denoted by f of u or f bar of u. This is the definition of Fourier transform. So what is the definition of Fourier transform? f of x equal to minus infinity to infinity f of x e power iux dx. It is denoted by f of u or f cap of u. This is infinite Fourier transform, infinite Fourier transform or complex Fourier transform. This is very important. Infinite Fourier transform or complex Fourier transform. Next, inverse Fourier transform. The inverse Fourier transform of f of u. Inverse Fourier transform of f of u is denoted by f inverse of f of u or f inverse of f cap of u is defined as f of x equal to 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of u e power minus iux du. This is also denoted by f inverse of f of u. So if we apply inverse to f of u, we will get back f of x. We have a function f of x. If we apply Fourier transform, we will get f of u or f cap of u. If we apply inverse to this or f inverse of f cap of u, if we apply inverse to this, we'll get back this f of x only. Okay, so what is this Fourier transform? This definition. F of x equal to minus infinity to infinity f of x e power minus dx. And what is f of x? F of x equal to 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of u e power iux du. This is with respect to u. Here x is constant. With respect to u, we have to integrate because it is inverse Fourier transform. So these two are very important. We'll do problem. Find Find the complex Fourier transform of the function f of x equal to 1 for mod x less than or equal to a, 0 for mod x greater than a. Hence, deduce 0 to infinity sin x by x dx. And share this notes, Nimesh notes. Where this 1 by 2 pi is coming, the derivation part is there in textbook. 1 by 2 pi, why it is coming, that is there in textbook. Okay, you can just refer there. That explanation is not needed for exam, and we won't use in problems also. Just that definition is needed. That's why I just wrote the definition. Let us not confuse how it comes. You can check the textbook and you can clear that. If you have doubt, just inform me. I will explain that. Personally, message me. I will explain that. Now we will come back to this Fourier transform of a function. Fourier transform of a function is, what is Fourier transform of a function? F of u equal to minus infinity to infinity f of x e power I u x dx. This is Fourier transform. Next, here minus infinity to infinity. This is the integral minus infinity to infinity. What they have given in problem? They are taking a as the reference point. They are taking a as the reference point. So I will take this as minus a and this as a, and between minus and plus 0 will come. Next, in first one, mod x less than or equal to a. What is meaning of this? X lies between minus a and plus a. According to this, mod x less than or equal to a means x lies between minus a and plus a. Okay, if the value of x lies between these 2 points, then what is value of f of x? F of x equal to 1. Okay, then mod x greater than a means this region. In this region, it is 0, since it is given in problem. Digital form or soft copy of your CSV NOMA. I don't have digital copy of that. I will just message me. I will take that. I will take a pic and I will send out this explanation 1 by 2 pi. Okay, here it is 0 because it is given. Here it is not defined. Okay, we did not take this. Okay, only this part we need to take. Therefore, what happens? Minus a to a, f of x is 1, e power iux dx. Understood? Writing this one is very important. Now integrate this. What is integration with respect to s? E power iux by iu minus a to a. And this is equal to, in place of x, a. means e power I u into a divided by iu minus e power minus I u into a divided by iu. So f of u is equal to 1 by iu common e power I u a minus e power minus I u a. Okay, this is f of u. Now I can write this as e power. How is f of x equal to 1? That's what I told. Somebody is asking the doubt. How f of x equal to 1? It is given here f of x equal to 1 between minus a to a. Mod x is nothing but mod x minus a to a. Both are same. Mod x is also nothing but x lies between minus a and a. If it is lies between minus a and a, what is the value of f of x? 1. That's for it is 1 for here. Actually, we had minus infinity to infinity. We broke this minus infinity to minus a plus minus a to a plus a to infinity. Okay, here it is not defined, and here it is 1. Here it is 1 because it is given. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. So since we have 0 here, no need to write this. Minus a to a 1 e power iux dx. Like this it will come. Understood now? Understood now, or you want me to explain again? If you want me to explain again, I will explain. Okay. What is e power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta? What is e power minus I theta cos theta minus I sin theta? I will use that. If I use that here, e power I au is there in place of theta au. So this is cos au plus I sin au minus cos au minus I sin au. 1 by iu cos au plus I sin au minus cos au minus I sin. So this is plus I sin au. This one and this one get cancelled. 1 by iu I sin au is 2i. So you are not seeing 2i. This one and this one I will add 2i sin au. This I get cancels. Sin au by u. This is f of u. This is f of u. Of u is sin au by u. Next, after getting f of u, what we got? We got f of u is sin au by u. So 2 is there. 2 sin au by u. Next, we have to take inverse Fourier transform definition. Why we have to take inverse Fourier transform definition? Because they asked to deduce. If they haven't asked deduction part, then this much is enough. If they ask just only find Fourier transform, then this much is enough. First, they asked to find inverse Fourier transform. For that, what we have to do? Take inverse Fourier transform. F of x equal to 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of u e power minus iux du. It is du. Don't get confused. It is du. We are going back. It is du. 1 by 2 pi minus infinity to infinity f of u. What is f of u? We calculated here. 2 sine au by u e power minus iu x du. Okay, this is f of x. In deduction part, what they asked? It is in deduction part, they asked 0 to infinity sine x by x. Sine x by x, this we need. Okay, because a, it is a constant, we can make this a as 1. And since sine x by x dx, sine u by u du, both are same. Sine u by u du, both are same. If you change the variables, value won't change. You have studied this in second view. Okay, if you change the variable, value won't change. Therefore, this a we can replace by a because it is a constant. U we can change to x, but we don't have this in this deduction part. In this deduction part, I'll write here only. Every time I need to turn the page. Deduction part, what they asked? Deduction part, what they asked is 0 to infinity sine x by x. This much they asked. Compare this deduction part with this f of x. We have 2, we can cancel out. Then this a we can take 1. Then in place of u, if we can change x. But the thing is, we don't have this. Okay, we need to make this as 1. How to make that this as 1? We can't change u because it is with respect to integration with respect to u only. We need to change x. Put x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 1 by pi minus infinity to infinity 1 by pi f of 0 1 by pi minus infinity to infinity sine au by u e power minus I into u into 0. Sine au by u e power minus I into u into 0 du. 1 by pi minus infinity to infinity au by u du. This is f of 0. But what is f of 0? If we come back to this problem, where 0 is lying? So I told mod x is less than or equal to a means we can also write this as minus a to a. If mod x less than or equal to a means we can write x lies between minus a and a. So 0 also lies between minus a and a, right? 0 also lies between minus a and plus a. Because if we cross a number line, if we cross from negative to positive, then only a will come. So 0 is lying here only. Therefore, what is f of 0? 1. F of 0 is 1. So f of 0 is 1. 1 by pi minus infinity to infinity sine au by u du pi equal to minus infinity to infinity sine au by u du put a equal to 1, change u to x, phi equal to minus infinity to infinity sin x by x dx. Okay, sin x by x dx. But what we have, but in problem they asked to reduce 0 to infinity. Here we have minus infinity to infinity. We will check whether it is even or odd. If it is even, then we can write minus infinity to infinity f of x. We can write to 0 to infinity if it is even. We'll check whether it is even or odd. Sin x by x, this is f of x. You need not check this. If you know, you can directly write sin minus x by minus x minus sin x divided by minus x. We are getting back the same function. So it is even. It is an even function. Therefore, phi equal to 2, 0 to infinity sin x by x dx, pi by 2 infinity sin x by x dx. Not known as pi by 2. Any doubt like this? No doubt. If we have doubt, we can continue next. We'll continue on Tuesday. How this minus infinity to infinity changing to 0 to infinity? By one property, if function is even, if function is even, you can if the function is even, you can write minus a to a f of x dx as 2 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, this is one property in integral. Here in what we have function sin x by x. This is f of x. We'll change x to minus x. In place of x, take minus x. Sin of minus x, here also minus x. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta divided by minus x. This minus get cancels. sin x by x. We are getting back f of x only. So f of minus x is f of x. Hence even. Even means minus infinity to infinity. You can change 2 to 0 to infinity. Okay, like this, it will become 0 to infinity. Understood? Understood? Yes, and 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Yes, and
0.
1. Yes, and 1. Five.
So 5 present.
5 present. 6.
6 present.
7. You have to unmute yourself. 7.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
8. 8. 9.
9 present, sir.
10. 11. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
Second present, sir.
14. 15. 16. 17.
17 present, sir.
Yes, 18. 19. 20. 21.
21 present, sir.
22.
22 present, sir.
23. 24.
24 present, sir.
25. 26.
26 present, sir.
27. 28.
28 present, sir.
29.
29 present, sir.
30.
Sir, 24 present, sir. I have said
20.
24 it is.
Okay. 30. 31.
31 present, sir.
32.
32 present, sir.
33.
33 present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present,
36.